channel. I have a new product review for you this week, and this is a handy little thing to make your coffee in, and it makes basically what they call a pour over coffee. It's set up to set your filter in here, add your coffee grounds, add your hot water, and it will filter through the filter and the coffee grounds and make you a cup of coffee down in the base here below. I had to give quite a little bit for this, but it is a nice product. It's very well made. It's ceramic. It has a nice smooth finish to it. It has a top here that's shaped like a cone on the inside, and the 4-cup coffee filters is what this will take, and they'll be the cone shaped ones. And then here's the coffee cup. The way that I like to fix my coffee when I fix it in this pour over coffee method is I like to allow the coffee to drip down in this big mug like it's designed, but then I like to take this cup after it's made of the hot coffee, and I love drinking out of these little insulated cups, and I'll take and pour my coffee in one of these cups and put the lid on, and it helps keep it hot longer. But you know, another thing that I liked about this, because I got curious after using it the first time, a lot of times I like to take my travel mug of coffee if I have to go somewhere of the mornings or have errands to run. So just out of curiosity's sake, I went and got my travel mug, and I tried the top on top of it, and it sits right on there perfectly. So you could actually, if you wanted to, make your pour over coffee straight into your travel mug. So I thought that was nice. I already have my water heated in my little electric kettle. I did a review on this about a week ago, I think. I'll leave a card up in the top here if you want to click on that and watch that video. And so basically all I have to do is start putting this together and fixing my coffee. So here are the coffee filters that it takes, and they're just the cone shaped, and this is the 4-cup size. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of those in my funnel part of my coffee maker. Now on the instructions that I read that came with this pour over coffee maker, it said to use a ground coffee that was fine as granulated sugar. Well, to try this out, I didn't want to go spend a lot of money on a fancy coffee or anything, so I just went to Save a Lot and got their brand of coffee. And it's not finely ground like granulated sugar, but I've already made this and it works just fine. So just give you a little heads up if you decide to get one of these and try it out. Let's get this assembled. There's my top on the base, and this will hold about 2 cups of water. So what I do is I measure out 2 cups of water in my measuring cup. I pour it in my electric kettle, plug it up, a couple minutes, it's hot and ready to go. And for about 2 cups of the hot water to make that much coffee, I'm going to need about 3 tablespoons of the ground coffee. So I'm just going to add my 3 tablespoons to my filter. So for my next step, I'm just going to slowly add the hot water a little at a time into the filter and allow that to sift down through there. Okay, our water has filtered all through the filter and has went into the base, into the cup of the pour over coffee maker. So now I'm just going to remove the top and set it aside. And there is our cup of coffee. Like I said, I like to pour these over in my insulated cup, and that way I can put my lid on it and keep my coffee longer. And the coffee is delicious. And it's really good. And it's good and hot. It's perfect. And I'm really excited about getting this little pour over coffee maker. It's like a little treat for myself. Thank you all for joining me today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Link will be in the description box below if you want to check out this product. Until next time, guys. Bye.